Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a simplified method for preparing traditional Macanese Honey-Glazed Char Siu. First, we need to choose the right cut of meat. Half fat and half lean is the ideal choice for char siu, as a lean cut may lack the desired texture and aroma during roasting. This area, often called pork collar or Boston butt, is located at the back of the pig's neck. Due to the pig's forward-leaning posture during feeding, this muscle is well developed, with moderate fat, fine texture, and beautiful marbling. Once we have our meat, we're going to cut it into even strips, following the meat's natural grain. Why does it matter? Because we want to ensure uniform cooking and avoid thick sections that take longer to cook or thinner sections that may dry out. After cutting the meat into even strips, gently pound it with the flat side of a knife to tenderize. This helps the flavor to penetrate more easily. Next, soak the meat in light salt water for 20 to 30 minutes to remove any impurities and blood. Once done, go ahead and pat the meat dry with a paper towel. It's now ready for marination. For today's recipe, we have prepared about 1.2 kilograms of pork collar using a traditional Macanese marinade recipe. This recipe has been slightly adjusted to suit modern home cooking. Stay tuned if you're interested in learning about traditional char siu marination or how to make the versatile marinade that pairs with so many other dishes. We'll cover these in future episodes. Your likes and subscriptions means the world to us. If you're enjoying what you see so far, please give us a thumbs up. Now let's take a look at today's marinade ingredients. In this episode, we're using dry hibiscus flowers as a natural food coloring, taking advantage of their acidity to tenderize the meat and enhance the flavor. Coat the meat evenly with a marinade and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. For an even more flavorful results, we suggest marinating the meat overnight. You can make char siu using a traditional oven, a halogen oven, or an air fryer. Personally, I prefer the air fryer for its precise control over heat, temperature, and timing. While a traditional oven takes about 50 minutes, the air fryer completes the process in just over 20 minutes. After marinating for 1 hour, it's time to get cooking. Start by placing the char siu with the glossy side facing down. Set your temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. We need to cook one side for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the meat over and cook for another 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While the meat is cooking, let's prepare the char siu glaze. Combine the sugar and water in the pan and cook until it turns slightly brown and sticky. Remove from heat and stir in the honey and a pinch of salt. This glaze will give char siu the perfect sheen we're all familiar with. Once char siu is cooked, brush it with the glaze, or mix the glaze in a bowl as we have done here. And there you have it, a delicious, fail-proof char siu that everyone will enjoy. In the next episode, I'll review the century-old secret recipe for authentic Macanese Honey-Glazed Char Siu. I'll also share the recipe for the versatile marinade sauce that's beloved in the roasted meat industry. Before we depart, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.